G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here at a fantastic family home, 8 Kingston Close in the popular suburb of Wondunna. This home is positioned on a fabulous 2,000 square metre allotment, or just over half an acre in the old scale. Let's go and take a look around. Enviably set in the highly sought after location of Wondunna, only minutes away from key amenities which do include schools, sporting grounds, shopping centres, esplanade and beach. This great family home has been designed around capturing the lifestyle that comes with living in beautiful Hervey Bay. Showcasing a light and spacious single level design, this home exudes modern sophistication to create an exceptional living retreat. Offering separate living areas, this home is ideal for families with teenagers or family living with them, not to mention those long forgotten guests and friends that are sure to appear once they know you're living in beautiful Hervey Bay. Beyond the statement entrance, entertaining options abound, with the kitchen, dining and living zones all superbly located in the heart of the home. Sharpen those culinary skills, because your home will be in demand when summer arrives and when you're ready to entertain. Simply throw open the sliding doors and create one vast living hub, perfect for those family and friend gatherings. You will enjoy the year-round temperate climate from the huge alfresco outdoor entertaining area, which does overlook the sparkling in-ground pool to the rear with shade umbrella. For quieter moments, the lounge is thoughtfully placed away from the main living zone, so you and the kids can enjoy some popcorn whilst enjoying the latest television show or some peace and quiet. Staying cool over the warmer summer months will also be a breeze, with split system air conditioning in that main living area as well as the main bedroom. This 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home has been presented to an exceptional level. Intelligent use of rich textiles and fixtures are interwoven throughout to create a perfect architectural fusion between classic and contemporary style. The spacious main bedroom features a large walk-in wardrobe and ensuite with spa bath and separate toilet. The 3 remaining bedrooms all include built-in wardrobes and are serviced by the main bathroom, which includes a bath and shower and again a second separate toilet. Those looking for space will appreciate this quintessential Queensland family home set on just over half an acre, with plenty of space to allow your children to enjoy the great outdoors or kick a ball around. The spacious double garage also includes the laundry and has had glass sliding doors added to the front, allowing it to be used as either car accommodation or additional work or storage space. Those looking to accommodate large caravans and boats will appreciate the space on offer, with side access through to the triple bay shed with lined workshop, high entry carport and rainwater tank connected. The owners of this fantastic property have committed to selling and are calling for an immediate sale, so here's your opportunity. Call me now, Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.